In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to log into Yahoo Mail on a desktop computer step by step. Whether you're checking your email for work, school, or personal use, accessing your Yahoo inbox from a desktop browser is quick and simple once you know where to go. I'll walk you through the entire process from opening the Yahoo Mail website all the way to successfully signing into your inbox. If you're new to Yahoo Mail or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you get logged in less than a minute. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your desktop computer. This can be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like to use. Once your browser is open, go to the address bar at the top and type mail.yahoo.com, then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the official Yahoo Mail login page where you can access your email account. Once the Yahoo login page loads, you'll see a field asking for your Yahoo email address, username, or mobile number associated with your Yahoo account. Click inside the text box and type your full Yahoo email address carefully. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes so the login process works correctly. After entering your email address, look just below the field and click the Next button. Yahoo will now verify that the email account exists and move you to the password entry page for your account. Now, you'll see a new field asking for your password. Click inside the password box and type the password associated with your Yahoo Mail account. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so make sure your capitalization is correct. If you're using a personal computer, you may also see an option to stay signed in which can make future logins faster. Once you've entered your password, click the next button again to continue. Yahoo will now process your login credentials and sign you into your account. If your email address and password are correct, you'll be taken directly to your Yahoo Mail inbox. From here, you can read emails, send messages, organize folders, search through messages, and manage your entire mailbox. If Yahoo asks for a verification code or additional confirmation, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in process. And that's it. You've successfully logged into Yahoo Mail on your desktop computer. It only takes a few simple steps once you know where everything is. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.